Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. We got a great episode coming up. First up, Appies with Chappie by the lake. Check it out. Thanks for joining me for Appies with Chappie by the lake. So today I'm going to make some mac and cheese squares with Philly cheesesteak hamburger. Let's call it Philly cheesesteak hamburger mac and cheese squares. To go with my Philly cheesesteak burger mac and cheese squares, I am going to make a Tradewinds. I got this from Smuggler's Cove by Mr. Martin Kate, who owns the fabulous Smuggler's Cove in San Francisco. It says Tradewinds. It says, if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility with this Jamaican drink from the 1970s. His source is Beach Bum Berries Remixed, adapted by Smuggler's Cove. Have a cocktail shaker, put a little bit of ice. 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. I'm just going to substitute some sweet and sour mix. And 1 1/2 ounces of coconut cream. Give it a good squirt. 1 ounce of apricot liqueur. Have some McGuinness apricot brandy. And then it calls for 2 kinds of rum. I'm just gonna go with my top shelf pirate rum. This stuff's awesome. A little on the pricey side. It has a cork, just like the pirates used to use. All right, we'll give that a shaky. And my tiki mug is already full of ice. And that is a Tradewinds to go with my Philly cheesesteak burger mac and cheese squares. So see here how I made my Philly cheesesteak burger mac and cheese squares, and we're gonna enjoy some Appies with Chappie by the lake. That's some good chop. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know when Mookie's ready to make another video. This is Mookie, and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.